Hey, buddy. How you doing? You don't really look like you're having a good day. So I'm just gonna pull out my gun, put it back. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Diggum Show. Today, we're gonna be playing some Watch Dogs 2. You know, I heard a lot of good shit about this game, and I'm pretty excited to jump into it. So I ain't gonna talk much. We're just gonna start playing this shit. Waiting. What does that mean? I don't know. I just wanna get the show on the road. Taking forever to load. Taking forever to load. Bloom CTOS server farm, San Francisco.
Consider this your 10-sec initiation, Retro. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is to bypass Bloom security doors and get inside. Then find and erase your personal CTOS profile.
Whatever they have on me, it's all bullshit.
It ain't nothing. What the hell is that?
All the more reason for a purge.
What is that?
We'll be watching.
Is that like a rope?
By the way, we put this playlist together to set the mood. Hope you like it.
Damn, this boy agile. Won't catch me doing some shit like that. Not in hell, not a chance in hell. What the fuck's that smell? I don't know. Must be that guy there. Hit him. I'm gonna hit him with that yo-yo. Hit him with that yo-yo. You don't see nothing.
Hang on. Hey, what's that?
Nothing. Nothing? You ain't see nothing. You ain't see nothing. You only thought you saw something. What are you looking at, my boy? Oh, I can press B, the melee enemies. I should probably read the screen. What the fuck? What is that? Okay. I have a... What the hell is that? Is that a gun? That cannot be a gun. He's not gonna kill somebody. You don't seem like that kind of dude. Oh, are there stairs the whole time? I'm the best. Let's go take out the other guy for fun. Peekaboo! Easy. Easy. Easy does it. Nothing to it. Let's undo it. What are they doing? Taking pictures now? Yep, that sure is a circuit breaker. Oh, no, it's open it.
You're wasting your time.
Who the hell you think you're talking to? It's me.
He's not in.
Gotcha.
So that's him.
Ah,
He's
it
got
was
a
a
gun.
setup.
Is that a problem?
Problems are why you keep me around, right?
Marcus
Time,
Holloway.
I'm curious.
Too late. He's in.
Already?
No idea. No synonyms either. Give me a real answer. I'm just not that into aliens. Video games.
My boy, you in the wrong playthrough right now, bro. Straight beat the ass with a bowler. That's a pretty dope weapon, not gonna lie. Hey, I ain't just no ordinary hacker, man. I can whoop some ass with a bowler, that's for sure. You wanna fuck with this bowler. Alright, we need a key. Break it down, bro. Marcus Holloway, all the motherfucking day, knocking people out with the bowler. What you gonna do? You don't even know la. Oh, screw you. I figured it out, and it only took me like 10 minutes. Alright, I see you, my boy. You ain't gonna get very far, but I see you. Do you see me? You can't see me. I missed.
So what's his deal? He was raised in Oakland, but was born in...
His deal is, he's been hanging around the DedSec IRC, and he's got cred. Figured we'd give him a test drive.
On the hardest difficulty. Nobody's been able to delete their CTOS profile before.
I want to see if he's smart, stubborn, or both.
Are these boys smart or what? Ooh, he don't see me. Yo, are these guys stupid? Y'all stupid. So now that we established that the guards are stupid, let's not miss any more shots. That's probably a good idea. Alright, I'm gonna wait till you turn around. I'm gonna knock your ass out. We're gonna have a great time. You're looking right over here. Better go away, boy, or you catch one of these zippity zap zoopity bobs. Oh, he got a gun? Yeah, I'll fuck y'all up with a taser. But you're not, though. Now you are. Put your head out again, watch what happens. Oh, fuck. Give me all that money. Give me all that money. Oh, y'all gonna be broke in 2 seconds. Give me all that money.
Nobody jumps me. Find him. Don't let your guard down.
Holy shit. He went for it.
We won't have much time before the backups kick in.
Alright, how the hell do we get out of here? Oh, that is gonna fucking pay. No, I'm getting the fuck out of here. Nothing happened, don't worry about it. Oh, what the hell? How do we get out of here? No, I'm not coming down, bitch. I just fucked y'all up with a taser. Telling me to come out. You got me fucked up. Yeah, boy. You're right there, Marcus. Man, he is sweating.
120 degrees in there.
I feel you, man. Should have brought a bottle of water.
Man, props.
You know you're
Going
thirsty.
a mile.
We ain't playing no games. We ain't playing no games. We ain't taking no names. You coming at me one at a time, I'm gonna take you out with this taser like you ain't never seen it coming. Zip zap zoopity bop, what you gonna do? Nothing.
Nobody's gotten that far.
I have.
This is like the secret cow level.
Yeah, you better turn around. You don't got nothing. Open the fucking door. Obviously, I'm not the best at stealth. If they all funnel in here, I'm pretty screwed, so let's hope they don't. Okay. I sees it. There you go. I get it. I get it. We did it. My boy Marcus. My boy Marcus.
What the fuck? Why's my threat so high?
Anime hardcore purple elf. That's some serious business.
Or I could just...
Of course. Wait a minute, so they profiled him on his place of birth and everything to determine if he's a threat, and he's a 42% threat without a criminal record. That's kind of racist, if you know what I'm saying.
I'm just gonna drop a little backdoor into the system so I can get back inside later. Sorry, Bloom. We've got unfinished business.
He's heading out. Bag him.
Yeah.
Who the hell are you?
What was that?
I'm gonna do it about the game. I was just about to pop him with the bolo. Yeah, whatever. You said that before. I'm gonna knock your ass out. Shh. Slip and slide, baby. Slipping. What the hell? How do I get out of here? I'm just double checking. Just making sure I don't walk into no traps here.
Hold it right there.
help him.
Where the fuck am I go?
Josh, okay.
Fuck you, Bloom.
Big Brother no longer works alone. Thousands
Big
of
Grandma is
brothers
Big Grandma up
prepare
in the
and
house, you know what I mean?
every move. Toys study your children, reporting their play habits back to marketers.
No way.
Appliances, consoles,
That shit is
and
scary. I got any
home
fucking
security
toys in here I gotta get rid of?
systems. Your digital shadow is already compromised.
Oh shit, I gotta get rid of my iPad, I gotta get rid of my phone, gotta get rid of this computer, gotta get rid of this webcam. You looking at me right now, CTOS? Don't look at your boy.
This is the new reality. Going dark is no longer.
What kind of message you trying to send with this shit?
This sweetheart is Josh, aka Hot Sauce.
Hot sauce.
Fuck it. Fuck it, man.
You mad, my boy?
Hello? Whose phone is this?
It's your new phone.
Where's my phone?
Where you threw it, I think. I don't remember. I was pretty smashed. Look, meet us at the hackerspace.
Where?
Check your pics and figure it
He's
out.
so fucked up. He doesn't even know who phone he answered. Hello, who phone is this? Okay, let's go. You got some happy flappy wings on here. What's it called? Flappy wings? Yeah, you got some flappy wings on here. Damn.
All right, Satar. So where you at?
Sending you the location and the passcode for the door.
You're a hacker. Don't you worry about him. What happened to that pole? It wasn't me. Shut up before you get bopped. Talking to me? You talking to me? Okay. All right. You're a nice guy. You're a nice guy. I ain't gonna mess with you. Hey, baby, how you doing? You talking to me? Yo. Fuck you. Yeah, and that's why you got knocked out. Think I don't understand Spanish? The other guy was nice. You telling me to tell F myself. That ain't very nice. I don't appreciate that. I'm a nice guy. Most of the time. We got 2,000 followers already for changing my clothes. You know, they appreciate when you look good. You know what I mean? Make the future. We're gonna make the future. We're gonna set some we gonna set some limits, man. We're gonna cross some boundaries. We're gonna do our own thing. You know what I mean? Alright. Yeah, as long as you know what I mean, it's all good. Hey baby girl, how you doing? I said, hey baby. Hey. Baby girl. Yo, I'm being mad obnoxious right now. What up? How you doing?
Hey, yeah, I look real smart. It's me.
She's just looking at me like, can you get the fuck away from me?
You're changing the molecules out here.
Damn girl, you changing fucking oxygen into something else.
Oh, you are sunshine.
Damn girl, you bright as fuck. I can't even look at you without these glasses on. Damn, now you're going thick as fuck. You know what I'm saying? That's a thick unicorn right there.
Behold, the wonders of technology.
A 3D printer.
This is the army of printers.
Honey, get out of here!
And
You gonna print your shit, you son of a bitch!
Yep. Once you master it, voila! Hipster merchant of death.
All good,
Yeah.
except I'm no hipster.
Money needs to match and the print out that, yeah. Alright, hello, let me tell you something. My name Marcus, right? So yo, check it out. My name Marcus. And it's been fun and everything. But all these good things, they gotta come to an end one time or another. So let me just break it down a little bit for you real quick here. Shake that ass to the left. Shake that ass to the right. Shake that ass to the left. And grind it all night. Beatbox into the beat, what you know. Beatbox into the beat, here we go. Do it up, do it down, do it to the round, round, round. So, that's about all the time I'm going to give this episode right here. If you enjoyed it, drop a like. Show me that you liked it. Show me some appreciation. If you don't like it, whatever. You know, it is what it is. It ain't for everybody. But as long as you had a good time, I had a good time. And if you did not, still did have a good time anyway. I don't care. Alright. Thank you for watching. Damn, boy, that shit was good!